What's going on, guys? I got a summary of mostly new products I have installed in my Tesla Model 3, and I thought I would compile them all in this one video. All these accessories also work with the Tesla Model Y. Some of them you may have already seen, but for the most part I tried to incorporate only new items on the market. My name is Evan, and if you're new here, welcome. Let's get started with the first item. I just got this center console armrest cushion cover that not only adds a good amount of flair to your Tesla, but surprisingly improves your arm comfort compared to the stock armrest. I know what you're thinking, okay Evan, how much better could it really be with the already padded stock armrest? You can see when I push on the cover how much more padding there really is. If you don't believe me, just check out the reviews on Amazon for this. It's very easy to install, just slide it right over the top of the armrest with the elastic strap bands. It also has a secret compartment holder to insert various small items into. If you're not feeling the white color like you see here, it also comes in black, red, and also this basic no pattern black color. For the price, I think it's well worth it, and as always, if you don't like it, just return it. Check out the link for this down below. Check out this portable air pump by VacLife that plugs directly into your Tesla's 12-volt power supply in the center console. Quit driving to the gas station like me to add air to your tires when you can just do this at home or even on the go. This fast pumping tire inflator could not be easier to use. Just plug the air hose up to your tire by clamping on the air nozzle, plug in the power cord into your Tesla, set your desired PSI by hitting the plus or minus buttons on the display, and then hit the power button. The VacLife pump will autofill your tire to the set amount and auto shut off when the PSI limit is reached. To find out how much air you should be putting in your tires, just check the label on the inside driver's side door. I personally filled mine up to 41 instead of 42 just for a slightly more comfortable drive. In darker situations, you can hold down the R button, and this will also enable a light to help you see and also for your safety on the road. Not only can you use this for your car, but also bicycles and many other inflatables. You can see that the box came with even more adapters to inflate whatever you need. You can also use the other plug adapter to use in your home using a 120 volt receptacle. I'm just going to keep this thing in my trunk should I need it for later use. To create an extra side organizer compartment in the trunk of your Tesla, this custom designed cover fits right over the top of the deep storage opening. Made of flocking and sturdy ABS material, this lid fits perfectly over the compartment, and it's also easy to remove with a built-in handle. I put my portable vacuum in the compartment, then the lid, and finally my air pump with the included cords. For an additional compartment, I got this side Velcro trunk divider that attaches along both end walls of the trunk of your Tesla. There's no drilling, cutting, or adhesive material involved. Just place down and attach. I'll have links for both of these items down below. I just got another portable vacuum sent to me by a company called Bezos. I recently showed you my portable A3 vacuum that I still use to this day. A lot of you said it was a little too expensive, so I thought I would show you the Bezos A2 vacuum. It's very similar to the A3 vacuum, however it does not have a built-in light, nor does it have the blower function tool which helps push out dirt inside small crevices. If these are features not really relevant to you, the new A2 vacuum might be your go-to option. Comparing the two vacuums in a real test, the A2 vacuum on the right really did a good job at picking up all the debris in a one swipe through pass. The more expensive A3 vacuum I thought equally did a good job. Should you want a light to see those darker areas, or if you're interested in the blower function to release hard to reach areas, you may want to check out the A3 instead. The A3 also has greater suction power at 15,000 PA versus the A1 vacuum at only 4,000 PA. Regarding the battery life, the A3 can run up to 45 minutes while the A1 is only at 25 minutes. Either one you choose, I think they are both great to have in your Tesla for those on-the-go cleanups. Check them out in the description below. There's a new Tesla cabin air freshener on the market that is custom made to fit directly between your dashboard and the air vent. Created by a company called Temai, these diffusers allow a light scent to flow through the cartridge when you enable the AC or heat. They currently have two scents available, Blossom Berry, which enables mostly rose, citrus fruits, and wood, or Sunset Valley, which encompasses jasmine, grass, lemon, cedar, and amber. Both of these scents are environmentally friendly and have no harmful substances and are also alcohol-free. Each cartridge scent should last about 2 weeks but can vary from temperature and humidity. They can come in the color gold or silver, and to install this, just remove the faceplate that is held in by small magnets and insert your preferred scent cartridge. Replace the cover, which snaps back back into place, then remove the adhesive backing and finally insert it into the vent hole. If you prefer a stronger smell, you can certainly purchase 2 of these, or you can place it where you have most of the cabin air flowing. For a lighter smell, just adjust the airflow on the main Tesla screen to where it's not flowing through the diffuser as much. I'll have a coupon code below this video to help you save money at checkout. One more item by Temai is this highly rated foam mount holder that works with both the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. This minimalist postmodern design is custom fit to match the shape of the air vent. Installing this could not be easier as it just clips into place. There's no tape, glue, or adhesive material needed. Another bonus is that it will not block the airflow vent. This foam mount allows the air to flow through it, as you can see the vent hole right here. When you place the phone down, it's held by gravity. It will just auto lock when you push your phone downward, and to release it, just simply lift it off the mount. The sturdy design is noiseless and will hold the phone with sudden stops or sharp turns. The 360 ball joint allows you to turn the phone in any direction to match your preferred viewing angle. It also supports phone sizes up to 6.9 inches, including the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro Max. A big shout out to Optiwatt for sponsoring today's video. Optiwatt lowers your Tesla's electric bill by 70% on average and makes charging effortless, all while making our planet greener. Optiwatt fully integrates your Tesla with your electricity data, allowing you to track your vehicle's daily expenses and automatically charge when the rates are lowest, saving you money and reducing CO2 emissions by charging during the lower electricity demand. Signing up is 100% free and only takes a few seconds to create an account at getoptiwatt.com or by downloading their mobile app. Simply add your home and Optiwatt will automatically load in your electricity rates. Stop guessing what driving your Tesla costs. I've been using Optiwatt for well over 6 months now, and it shows you exactly how much you spend on electricity and save on gas for each individual charge. If you're on a time of use plan and your electricity rates change throughout the day like me, Optiwatt will schedule your charges during off-peak hours. Easily set the time when you need your car the next day and let the algorithm handle when to start and stop your charge. Join Optiwatt like I have and help us build a smarter, greener future for electric vehicles. Let's get back to it. This MagSafe foam mount by MagBack just released on the market, which provides another way to integrate your phone at an excellent viewing angle. This item not only holds your phone but also charges it, separating it from many other MagSafe Tesla foam mounts. Looking at the back of the wireless charger, we can see the color flows with the modern look of the Tesla cabin, and it feels more on the heavy side. By no means does it feel cheap or lacking in quality. It looks and feels very durable. If you are finding this video entertaining this far, consider clicking that like button for me below so current and future Tesla owners can find this. I would greatly appreciate it. When driving around, the phone held into place with no issues of it falling down, nor was there an interruption of charge. There are a couple other brands that have a Tesla MagSafe mount, however it just holds the phone and does not charge. Be sure to use the coupon code below this video to save money at checkout. You can find more details on my full install video found right here. It's quite a superior product. Pause this video and check it out real quick. On both the Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y, the center console screen is permanently affixed to the dash with no ability to turn it left or right until now. I installed the screen rotating mount that will now allow you to turn the screen fully facing the driver, the rear seats, or the passenger. It even moves up or down at 15 degrees. What's even better is how it looks from behind. This is the first screen swivel mount that looks nearly OEM with this custom fit bracket that matches the dash, unlike others on the market that have a cloth wrap with Velcro. Now that's worth clicking the like button for if you haven't already. If you want to know more about this screen tilt, please have a look at my full install video found right here in the upper right hand corner. If you want something different that looks really cool and feels OEM like the Tesla Model S Plaid, then you may want to check out this Yoke steering wheel for your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. The quality is very high end from Hansho, and they even use an OEM Tesla wheel frame, as you can see the Tesla logo stamped right in the back. With all the customizations you can choose from, there's really something that fits everyone's taste. For me personally, it took me a few minutes driving around the block to get used to it. For 90-degree turns, I found it best using one hand on the top left of the yoke for a left-hand turn, or right hand on the top right for a right turn, and then pushing downward until the yoke is vertical. To find my full install video on this, check out the card in the top right hand corner of this video. If you prefer to wash your car at home like me and want to get that professional foam soap like you see at a car wash, you're going to want to have a look at this professional snow foam cannon by MJJC. This quick connect 1/4 inch attachment fits a variety of pressure washers, including my electric one I've been using well over 2 years now. I use the Chemical Guys Extreme Body Wash and Wax soap by adding about a 1/2 inch to the foam cannon and then topping the rest of the container with warm water. There's no need to shake the container by creating unwanted suds in the reservoir. Just slowly tip it up and down until the watercolor is faded. Now there are many foam cannons available on Amazon, however those lower quality foam guns don't offer nearly the amount of suds and foam as this Pro Foam cannon by MJJC. The quality of build is nothing but the best material. It's very easy to adjust the fan width and the amount of soap being applied to the Tesla. The wide base ensures tip over is a thing of the past. To clean your Tesla anywhere at any time while saving money and protecting the planet, the EV Wash Kit is your go-to product. Their company is all about offering the highest quality car care for the most affordable prices, all while protecting the environment with reusable aluminum bottles and biodegradable paper refill pouches. When I received my wash kit, I was quite surprised with the quality of the carrying case and the very durable aluminum spray bottles. The case is equipped with several pouches to hold the waterless wash, interior cleaner, and glass cleaner along with the appropriate microfiber towels. With this portable carrying case always in my car with me, I can be sure to have the right cleaner to remove any bug splatters and bird droppings while on the go. Even the interior cleaner works wonders for all those unexpected spills and messes. I took this on a road trip with me to the beautiful Florida Keys to clean my windshield with the glass cleaner while supercharging. I found leaving the case in the front works best for me. To get your kit, EV Wash was kind enough to offer all of my subscribers 30% off with the coupon code EVAN30 when going through checkout. Have a look at these new Tesla door sill protectors for both the Model 3 and Model Y. These LED illuminated plates offer an exceptional enhancing look when you enter into your Tesla. The kit comes with a set of 4 door sills, while Tesla.com only offers this for the 2 front doors. From hand show, you can choose from either the color silver or black. The stainless steel top feels very high quality, which is also waterproof and easy to wipe clean. To see my full install video on this, again check out the card in the top right hand corner of this video. Look at this extra large folding table that fits inside your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. It's perfect for all those who need to get some work done while on the go, especially while waiting at the Tesla supercharger. The table sits on top of both ends of the center console and the door side armrest. Put your driver's seat in a lounge position, turn on Hulu or Netflix on the Tesla screen with your cup of coffee and feel just like you're at home. This table is also great for eating with the added indented sides to hold a cup and various other small items. When finished, just fold it up and store it inside your frunk or sub trunk. Weighing at only 4 pounds, it's really a nice accessory to have when taking road trips. Check it out in the link below. To see even more accessories, be sure to check out my new website at evanmichaels.com, where I list every product I've ever shown on my YouTube channel. As always, if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I promise to get back to you. Until the next video, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.